People enjoy tiny phones, they want them to be powerful, speedy, and have a long battery life while being as thin as possible. Fortunately, smartphone makers have succeeded at addressing this apparently contradicting desire, as seen by some of Samsung's prior models. According to recent reports, the Korean tech giant plans to debut the Samsung Galaxy S25 as one of its thinnest cell phones since the Note 20 Ultra. If a new leak is to be believed, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may take inspiration from an unlikely source. According to a recent leak, more information about the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed, including a surprising potential basis for certain design changes. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will have a body thickness of 8.4mm, making it the thinnest Samsung Ultra model we've seen since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which had an overall thickness of 8.1mm albeit with a larger camera bump. Interestingly, Ice Universe confirmed a recent leak that said the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a more rounded design than current phones, suggesting it would be as round as the Galaxy Note 7 from 2016. However, there has been no evidence of returning a curved screen, as Samsung seems to have moved on from that design choice. Some of our younger viewers may not remember the Galaxy Note 7, which is not unexpected given Samsung's attempts to disassociate itself from the device over the years. While the phone offered several fantastic features, such as improved spin compatibility and high-quality cameras, it also had a major flaw. Samsung officially recalled the phone in 2016 owing to a significant design problem in the batteries that caused overheating and, in some cases, explosions. However, it looks that Samsung will not use that particular design into their future Ultra model. Despite preserving the criticized decreased telephoto lens from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel output is a significant improvement. Rumors concerning the chipset are flying, with some claiming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and others stating MediaTek. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.